Hello everyone. Now we are going to learn about importance of forest. Forest is our lifeline. It is a wealth for us because it gives us lots of things. Not only plants and animals can survive, lives in a forest, they can live in a forest, but it gives us lots of things. So there are so many importance of forest. What are those? It is a source of food. Lots of animals live in a forest and they depend on forest for their food, and they can get food from forest. And some tribes also live in forest. So many tribes are found in our country, in all over the world. They live nearby the forest. They are not they do not socialize. Basically, they do not want to live in society, and they live in forest because they want to protect their culture. And for those tribes, forest is a good source of food. They can get food from forest. It is a source of wood as well. Wood is required for making different kind of furnitures and different kind of things for furniture of offices as well as house. So it is a good source of wood for making furniture of different kind. Maintains balance of gases. Forest maintain balance of gases. We know that nowadays it is said that global warming is there, and lots of greenhouse gases are found, that increasing the global warming, the temperature of earth. Due to that, the situation of global warming is there. So what is global warming? Global warming is basically gradual increasing of the temperature of earth, correct? So that global warming is due to greenhouse gases. How global warming is, how there is the situation of global warming in our earth? Why there is increase of temperature of earth? Because of greenhouse gases. So what are greenhouse gases? Greenhouse gases are few gases like carbon dioxide, methane, and ozone, and so many like water vapor, sulfur dioxide, nitrous oxide. So many gases are there which gradually increasing the temperature of earth. How? These greenhouse gases trap solar radiation that is reflected by earth. Earth absorbs solar radiation and extra radiation it reflects back, and while moving out from the earth atmosphere, those radiations, heat of sun, trapped by greenhouse gases. So greenhouse gases plays main role in maintaining earth's night temperature, balance of temperature. But for that work, during doing that work, it increases basically temperature of earth. So there is gradual increasing of temperature of earth due to greenhouse gases. That temperature can be balanced by forest. How? Plants do the process of photosynthesis. While doing that process, they releasing lots of oxygen and they absorb lots of carbon dioxide. So plant absorbs carbon dioxide, plant releases oxygen. In that way it balances the gases of atmosphere. So it is important for us. Next one is maintains water cycle. Water cycle is maintained by plants because plants release water vapor through the process of transpiration, evaporation. So in that way plants release water vapor. That water vapor condense and form cloud, then through precipitation falls on the earth. In that way water cycle is maintained by plant. Okay. Prevent soil erosion. Roots of plants hold soil very much tightly and do not allow the soil to be moved out by strong wind, by flood, or by any other mean. Okay, so it can prevent soil erosion and prevent flood as well. Soil also forest also prevents flood. How it prevents flood? Because if plants are found in a certain area, then roots of plant can absorb water and do the process of transpiration. In that way, it maintains the water level of earth, and if there is heavy rain, then also root of plant will absorb water, and it can prevent the situation of flood. Okay, so this is the role of forest, this is the role of plant. At the same time, plant can also prevent the situation of drought. Why? Because it maintains water cycle, so there will be rain happens on earth due to plants as well, so it prevents the situation of drought as well. Now, provide shelter. Lots of animals lives in forest, so forest give shelter to so many wild animals, so many tribe people as well. So these are the importance of forest. Apart from these, medicines can be made by many plants found in forest. So many medicines can be made, especially Ayurvedic medicines are made by plants and different parts of plants, roots of plants. Not only furniture, but wooden houses are also made by forest trees. Basically, the trees, the plants found in, I think it should be written only forests, made by forests. Okay, so obviously forests means so many plants, so wooden houses are made by plants. Understood? So these are the importance of forest. So what we should do? We should stop deforestation, correct? And we should conserve forest as well. I hope you all are agree with me. Okay, now you look at the screen.